Lately I have been trying to upgrade my shop with more cooling devices. Today I will be reviewing a brand new product by Opolar, and it's a battery operated fan. It's a great lightweight personal handheld desk fan that is also perfect for outdoors and traveling. Also, it has a special feature I have never ever seen on the market. If you want to see how it works or the special feature, then please stay tuned. Hello, I'm Brian, and this is Summer's Woodworking. The thing I love about this fan is that you buy it from Amazon and it has fast shipping that's packed well. It comes with the fan head, battery pack, base, charging cable, and instructions. First, I'm going to attach the fan head to the battery pack. With the long press of the power button, it indicates the amount of charge the battery has. With each click of the power button, it goes from low, medium to high. On the right side is the port to charge the battery pack. On the left side is the special feature I was talking about. It's a USB port to power USB powered products, which I like. It can charge my phone when it's dead or power my sports cameras when the battery has depleted. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Periscope, and Twitch. That way you have insights on things I'm doing during the week prior to posting this video. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, please subscribe for more great videos like this. Also, please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please share it with your friends. Down below, leave me a comment on how you would use this. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.